Hi, let's look at this problem. Find numbers with even number of digits. Given an array numbers of integer, return how many of them contains an even number of digits. So here if you see an example, there's 12, 3, 4, 5, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. So here two numbers are the two numbers that are even numbers of digits in them. So yeah, what's the first idea that comes to our mind? The first idea that comes to for each number. Let's say I go to that. I try either I somehow have to know how many digits of number it has. How I can do that? I can either convert that to a string, that number, and then check the length of it, or I need some way to figure out how many digits are there in that number. To see how many digits are there in the number, what we can do is we can just keep on dividing it by 10 and see how many times we can divide it by 10 so that so the number result in 0. We can do that so that we can see the number of digits it has. That's a solution. Okay, now let's see how we can implement that solution. Okay, if you see towards this part, I'm traversing each number of the array sent in the function. I'm counting if each digits, if it's an even number or not. If you see this part, this is checking if it's an even or not. This is done by binary number to check if it's an even or not. Whatever number is there, right? 2 will have binary as 1 and 0. You are adding that with 1, and if that is equal to 0, that will be an even number. Let's say if it's an odd number 3, then the binary would be 1 and 1. So if you add with that 1, you will have 1 as a digit which is not equal to 1. So this is a binary logic that we can see if the number is even or not. Okay, now let's consider this is a black box for now. We don't see it. This gives us the number of digits it has, and this AND operation will give us if it's an even or not, and we are checking if it's an even. We are just counting and we are returning that number to the listing. Now let's see what this function is doing. Count digits. If you come to the count digit number, each time I am checking if the count digit is not equal to 0, and I am checking and I'm updating the number by 10, so that each time, let's say I have 3 4 5. First time I will have 3 4 5 as my number. Next time I'm counting it, I have one digit now my digit will be 1. Next my number would be 34 because I'm dividing it by 10. Next time when I come to the loop, my number would be 3. Next time when I come to the loop, my number would be 0, and I'm coming out of that loop. This is how I'm giving the number of digits in the number. Okay, now let's run this. Yeah, let's submit. Yeah, this is how it will be. Thank you.